Hi guys, how can you create the glass condensation effect in Photoshop? First, select your image layer and convert it into a smart object. Now create a duplicate of that layer. After that, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Set the radius around 36.0 and press OK. Now go to Filter Gallery Distort class. Apply these settings. Distortion 20, smoothness 1, scaling around 64, 65. Texture frosted. Press OK. Next, go to the Remove tool and add a layer mask. Open the Remove tool adjustment setting and choose a hard brush. Set the size around 168 px on the mask to remove the effect from the center area, creating a clear glass look. Now reduce the size to around 21 px and draw vertical or random lines to create the condensation streaks. And that's it. This is how you can create a realistic glass condensation effect in Photoshop.